Hello everyone, welcome to Zine Rocks. Today I am going to solve the third problem on overhead costing. So let's begin. Now once again, problem number 3 is also similar to problem number 1 and problem number 2. Here also there are some overheads given to us and the basis of allocation is given to us. We are supposed to prepare the primary distribution of overheads. Now what we are going to do first, we are going to check whether any direct expenses are there in this allocation. Direct expenses कौन से थे? 3 थे. डायरेक्ट पहला डायरेक्ट मटेरियल, दूसरा डायरेक्ट वेजेस, तीसरा डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस. अगर ये 3 में से कोई भी इधर एक या दो जो भी है उनको सबसे पहला लिखेंगे. तुम लिखेंगे प्राइमरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ओवरहेड्स, फिर लिखेंगे पर्टिकुलर्स, फिर लिखेंगे बेसिस ऑफ अलोकेशन, फिर लिखेंगे टोटल और फिर ABCDE में डिवाइड कर देंगे. समझ में आ रहा है ना? तो स्टार्ट में एक्सपेंस कौन सा लिखेंगे? इसमें से जो डायरेक्ट है वही लिखेंगे. चलो देखो ना डायरेक्ट है क्या है. डायरेक्ट मटेरियल है, डायरेक्ट वेजेस है. बाकी जो क्वेश्चन में जो एक्सपेंसेस दिए हैं वो सारे एक्सपेंसेस, क्वेश्चन वाले एक्सपेंसेस जो है वो सारे लिखेंगे, टोटल लिखेंगे और डिवाइड कर देंगे. ओके, मैं फटाफट कर देता हूं. द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम इज टेकिंग द टोटल्स ऑफ द allocations. So I'll take the totals. I will write total. Okay. 1,500 plus 2,500 is 3, 4, 4, 5, 5,500. Next is 100. 300 is 400, 500. Next is 20, 50, 90, 1,20,000. Next is 30, 50, 8. Next is 10 lakh plus 5, 15 lakhs. Next is 26, 30, 40. Next is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 11. Okay. Now the first step is taking totals. The second step is finding out whether there is something called as direct. So there is direct wages here, direct material here. So I have written direct material first क्योंकि direct material पहले आता है, फिर direct wages, फिर direct expense. So direct material, this is not to be taken, this is not to be taken, this is not to be taken. Only service department, that is 15 and 15, 15,000 and 15,000. Total will be 30,000. Hope this is clear. Direct wages also same thing. Not to be taken, not to be taken, not to be taken. Only 10 and 20. So 10 and 20. That is total 30,000. Hope this is clear. Clear? The next step is the basis of allocation. This is I will write direct. या given लिख दो या डायरेक्ट लिख दो चलेगा. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट motive power to run the machines. So horsepower is given or what here? Horsepower is given. So I'll write HP, horsepower of machine. Next light points दिया है देखो ना. फिर नहीं दिया रहता तो एरिया, number of light points. Next stores overhead. Stores, hope you understand what is stores. स्टोर मतलब अपना स्टॉक जहां पे रखा रहता है ना, तो वो स्टॉक को संभालने के लिए, वो स्टोर्स को संभालने के लिए कुछ खर्चा करते हैं. तो स्टोर्स मतलब हमारा मटेरियल से रिलेट करता है, तो इट इज डायरेक्ट मटेरियल. स्टाफ वेलफेयर एक्सपेंस. स्टाफ मींस नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स. रेंट इज वेरी गुड, एरिया. Depreciation is asset value, plant value या asset value. Repairs किसका? asset का asset value. Hope this is clear. Now we are supposed to divide. Okay. Now after completing direct, we will divide the remaining overheads. Now motive power total is 5500. 5500. It is divided as per HP of machine. HP of machine total is 11. So 5500 divided by 11 into. बाद में 4 equal to, that is 2000. Next 3 equal to, that is 1500. 2 equal to, that is 1000. 1 equal to, that is 500. 1 equal to, that is 500. Hope this is clear. Next is lighting, number of light points, that is 1000 divided by light points are 40 divided by 40 into. So first is 10, answer is 250. Next is 16, answer is 400. Next is 4, answer is 100. Next is 6, answer is 150. Next is 4, answer is 100. Check the total whether it is 1000. 250, 650, 750, 850, 900, 1000. Okay, very good. Next is 4000 is stores overheads. 4000 divided by direct material total is 8000 into. So 10,000 equal to, that is 500. Next 20,000 equal to, that is 1000. Next 20,000 equal to, that is 1000. Next 15,000 equal to, that is 750. Next 15,000 equal to, that is 750. एक बार टोटल चेक कर लेते हैं. 500 plus 1000 is 1500 plus 1000 is 2500 plus 750 is 3250 plus 750 is 4000. Done. Next is 15,000 staff welfare expense. 15,000 divided by staff welfare is number of workers. Total is 500 into. So 100 equal to 3000. 150 is equal to 4500. 4500. 150 is equal to 4500. 50 is equal to 1500. 50 is equal to 1500. Let us check the total. 3 4 7 7 4 9 9 12 12 13 14 15. Done. Next is 27,500 is rent. That is on area. Area total is 5,500 into. So पहला 1,500 equal to 7,500. Next is 2,500 equal to 12,500. Next is 500 equal to, that is 2,500. Next is 500 equal to 2,500. Next is 500 equal to 2,500. Let us check the total. 2,500 plus 2,500 is 5,000 plus 2,500 is 7,500 plus 12,500 27,500. Perfect. Next is depreciation, that is 1,50,000 divided by area. Sorry, asset value. Asset value is 15 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into. So first is 6 lakhs equal to 60,000. Next is 4 lakh equal to 40,000. इतना ही आएगा ना, समझ में आ रहा है? थोड़ा दिमाग भी यूज करो. 30,000. Next is 10,000. Next is 10,000. Total check कर लो. 10 10 20 50 90 1,50,000. Perfecto. Next is repairs. 30,000 divided by asset value is 15 lakhs into. So 6 lakhs equal to 12,000. 4 lakh equal to 8,000. 3 lakh equal to 6,000. 1 lakh equal to 2,000. 1 lakh equal to 2,000. Check the total एक बार. 2 2 4 4 6 10 10 और 8 18 18 और 12 30. Perfecto. Now take the total of A, B, C, D, E. Total will be 2,750 plus 3,000 plus 7,500 plus 12,000 plus 60,000 is 85,250. Check करो ये आ रहा है क्या? Here 1,500 plus 400 1,900 plus 2,900 plus 4,500 plus 52,500 plus 8,000 is equal to 67,900. Next, 2,100 plus 7,000, 37,000 plus 6,000, that is 45,100. Next, 25,000 plus 900, 1,400, 2,900 plus 2,500 plus 12,000, that is 42,400. Next, 35 plus 600 plus 750 plus 4,000, 16,000, that is 52,350. Check the totals. Okay.